Hi, my name is Alan Kemmet. I'm a civil engineer out of Houston Engineering's Bismarck office. I've been in this office since 2012, working on water supply projects, mainly in the Minot area and surrounding communities. I focus on all things water supply related, treatment, distribution, pumping, that sort of thing. I love being an engineer because for the most part, get to identify and solve problems. I really like discussing with clients different issues that they might be having with processes or within their systems, and then coming up with solutions, whether they be simple solutions or innovative solutions. Just being able to identify and solve those problems for people is what really gets me going, excites me during the day. I would say that the most rewarding project I've worked on at HEI has to be the NAS, or Northwest Area Water Supply Project. I started on that project as soon as I started with Houston Engineering back in 2012, although the project has been going on a lot longer. It was originally conceptualized back in the 80s, but because of various lawsuit and environmental issues, construction really didn't begin in earnest until around 2004, 2005. So a lot of the first pipelines were being finished when I started with Houston, and ever since I've been here, I've been working on that project from the overall project management side to individual treatment or supply or pump station components. It's been basically the culmination of my career has been this project, and we're getting close now within a few years to be able to bring that water from Lake Sakakawea to Minot and the surrounding communities, and that'll be something I am and I will be very proud of. It's something that surprised me about being an engineer, now that I am one, was really the amount of politics that can be involved with the project, especially with a lot of the municipal work that we do. There's state, federal, local funding involved, and all those different levels of politics come into play, especially the more you get into managing a project. When I was a kid, I actually did want to be an engineer when I grew up. I wasn't sure I wanted to be a civil engineer, as I didn't know what exactly that entailed. I just remember on the farm, my father complaining about engineers a lot when it came to fixing machinery or different equipment. And I thought if I could become an engineer, I could help design a better piece of equipment or that part that was a problem, and I could fix some of those issues that he had. Something people may not know about me, I guess my high school graduating class was 1/3 foreign exchange students. It wasn't that high of a number, I guess. There was only three of them, but we only had 9 total kids, so pretty small class.